This is the Brave from Kospet. It's an Android standalone smartwatch phone running Android 6 with a completely different layout than what we've been used to seeing. It includes your pedometer and step count information, as well as a built-in compass. You've got all kinds of apps, including Bluetooth calling that really works. When tethered to your Bluetooth phone, in the Bluetooth settings section, by turning that on, you disconnect from the tethering app, but you can tether directly like you would with a regular Bluetooth headpiece and make and receive Bluetooth phone calls, speaking to your watch and listening through the speaker. You've got all that capability plus heart rate and blood pressure now on a watch, an Android watch, and a multi-sport capability that ties all these sports directly into GPS with an onboard GPS that gets connected really quickly, even indoors. It's a watch worth taking a look at. It has a 240 by 240 screen, which presents a bit of a limitation in terms of some apps working properly on it. It can use a standalone SIM card, and in addition to being IP68 deep waterproof, they call it, has removable bands as well. Check it out. It's the Kospet Brave.